Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm giving you a straightforward, no fluff blueprint on how to go from struggling to being a profitable trader in under 30 days. Now, whether you're new or just inconsistent, this will give you structure. So let's lock in. Now, very first thing, as always, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below on what you think. All I ask is that you subscribe to the channel. Not much to ask for. And again, below this video, we have our free Discord trading group. We also have our free Telegram signals for gold for those that want to basically start trading gold. Now, the very first thing, guys, is obviously you need to master one setup. Stop hopping between 10 different strategies or 10 different mentors, right? Pick one. High probability play, like supply, demand, zones, basically what I use day in and day out. You have VWAP rejections, or a clean breakout and retest, or also an opening range breakout, right? And just trade it, study it, backtest it, stick with it, rinse and repeat it over and over and over again until it becomes second nature, right? It is that simple. Now, obviously, being a profitable trader in under 30 days is the ultimate key and the goal. So again, I see a lot of people jump from trader to mentor, and they're just all over the map, okay? And you need to just pick one and stick with it, okay? Next thing, step 2. This is very, very important. Oh my God, use a trading journal, right? Write down your wins, your losses, your thoughts, even your emotional state, how you were feeling that day. Why? Because patterns will pop out, right? You'll see what works, what doesn't, what needs basically adjusting. This is how real traders separate themselves from the rest, okay? I can't tell you how many people I know, they don't have notes. They have no trading rules. They don't write anything down. And you know, I remember one of the jobs I had, my boss would always make sure everyone comes and brings a pen and paper, because he says when you would write things down, right, it basically sticks more in your brain versus kind of like taking a screenshot or like thinking it. When you actually like have a pen and paper and you're actually like writing it down, your words are coming together, you're remembering it better. And he was right. Like, it's 100% true. Like, when you write things down, you tend to like remember it, like you retain that information much better. Trade higher time frames, okay? So obviously this is very important, right? Stop trading like the 1 minute chart all day long. Be open to basically trading like the 2 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute, right? I use the 15 minute. I use a 15 minute and 1 hour daily. If I'm trading gold, yeah, I'll watch 1 to 2 minute chart on the gold. But ultimately everything else I'm basically watching 5, 15 minute and daily. Now you'll see the bigger picture, right? Because when you look at like a 1 minute chart time frame, there's just so many candles. It gets really confusing. But when you basically make it bigger, right? You look at bigger time frames, you really start to see the patterns, right? Especially like a 15 minute chart. You look at like a 15 minute chart and you'll be like, oh my God, I see 4 consecutive candles to the upside, to the downside. This thing's been running for an hour. It's time for reversal, okay? So again, ultimately, you'll just get cleaner setups and obviously avoid overtrading. Let the market come to you, right? That's where the money is, letting the market come to you. It's basically like being a sniper. You wait and wait and wait. Like a sniper just doesn't go out there and just start shooting at everyone. He basically waits for his target to basically line up in his scope. Once it's basically lined up, and then poof, he executes, okay? So step 4 is obviously risk small, scale smart. What do I mean by that? Okay, start with a small lot size, small position size. Focus on consistency, not big wins. Yes, I get it. You see other people like me or other traders out there, maybe Mamba FX, FXLG, some of these other big dogs that are basically putting up big days, big gains, $50,000, $100,000 in a day. But they also have very, very large accounts, and they're basically gunslingers, right? I rather come every day and make an easy 2 to 5 grand than basically have the stress of like trying to take big size. Small size goes a long way, and once you're obviously proving results, right, your win rate is just going to be solid, right? That's when you slowly obviously start to increase your size and scale into basically profit. So again, start small size. You'll be surprised how fast it actually adds up. Trade every day like it's a challenge, okay? And obviously, like, right, you trade every day like it's a fun day challenge. You know, you wake up with intentions, you know, you set your plan. Every session is a test of discipline, okay? So obviously you do this for 30 days straight and your whole game will change. I can't tell you how many people I know, they'll take a break from trading, and that's the worst thing you can do. with trading, you have got to show up to the market every single day, right? Every single day, you show up to the market. Even if you're not trading, you're basically just observing, watching what the market's doing at the open, right? For maybe the first 30 minutes. Even if you're not placing a trade, you're still watching the price action. You're still memorizing what it's doing, the setup, the charts, the candles. These are all things that you basically want to pay attention to. So obviously, trusted broker community, that's what we provide. Obviously, as always, I tell you guys, use the same broker as me. Why do I talk about this so much? Because I've been doing this for 10 plus years and I've used every single broker. I can tell you guys honestly what all the brokers are good, but obviously I'm always going to talk about the best because I have proof of $50,000 withdrawals from this broker day in and day out. Now, ultimately, you guys want to surround yourself with obviously like-minded individuals. We have our free Discord group. The link is going to be below this YouTube video. Okay, obviously, you want to stay sharp and trade with a reliable broker, as I mentioned. Tight spreads, fast execution, bonus capital. These are all things you want. You want as many tools as possible to help you with your trading journey. Now, last but not least, guys, obviously, your 30-day profit plan starts now. Okay, so you start small, stay consistent, track your growth. In the next 30 days, things can change for you, right? Financial future, obviously, if you commit, the results will come in, right? You don't need luck. This isn't about luck. It's just about discipline. So that's it. Let's get at it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully you stayed with me to the very end. As always, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.